Hey, it's Mrs. Golding. We are in your math packet today on page 9, problem 3. And you're going to see that we are talking about some things that we need to research for a little bit. So in this question, we've got, we're riding our bike for 24 hours straight. And the average distance, it says that for a certain distance, then it asks the world's fastest car, the Bugatti Veyron, could cover the same distance in about blank hours, right? Because we're looking at hours over here. Okay, I did a little research. I figure a person that's going to be riding their bike for 24 hours, I would consider them to be experienced. And so I would say they could go about 15 miles per hour. That's what I'm going with. And so in that case, I'm going to use my speed formula. Speed equals distance divided by time, Speed equals distance divided by time. But I don't need to find my speed, so I'm going to rearrange my formula using inverse operations, so I can undo that division with multiplication. Speed times time would give me my distance, correct? And that's what we see here. These are right next to each other. Speed times time gives me my distance. So my speed is going to be 15, and my time is 24 hours. And that's going to give us our distance, right? So I'm going to pull up a calculator really quickly, and I'm going to see what I get when I take 24 times 15. 24 times 15 is equal to 360, and that's 360 miles, right? Miles. Okay, we're going to take that distance and we're going to apply it to the Bugatti. So in order to get the Bugatti, we need to figure out, let me pull up my next slide here, how fast a Bugatti goes. And so I did a little research and I found that a Bugatti can go about 250 miles per hour. 250 miles per hour. So I'm going to use that in my speed equation again. Speed equals distance divided by time. But we are not going to look for speed. We know the speed, we know the distance, it's that 360 miles, and we're solving for time. So time, if you think about this like a, let me put my triangle back up here, distance. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. That's why this triangle is kind of nice, right? So we can undo this using our inverse operations. So time is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, time is equal to 360 miles, and we're dividing that by my speed of 250 miles per hour, right? So back to my little calculator here, and I'm going to take 360 and I'm going to divide that by 250. All right, 1.44 hours. You'll notice that's pretty close to, or approximately equal to 1.5 hours. So that's what we're going with for our answer here for this problem. Have a great day.